Hello guys, my name is Vasile and I'm a full-time day trader for almost 6 years. I mainly trade MQ and gold and sometimes whale, but it's very rare. The volume should be very high for my trading style. So my strategy is based on the price action. I execute trades very fast. I get in very fast. I trade mainly New York session. And for helping me to execute very fast in and out, I built an app. It's called HotkeyBridge. It helps me to enter in and out in trades very fast, but is not about it right now. So if you are interested in it, you can find it in the link description, and you can find more about it on YouTube as well. So basically, when I execute trades, I'm looking at the price action. But first and all, the most important thing is like, where are we in the market right now? What is the market structure? Yeah. Are we in a bullish environment? Are we in the bearish environment? Are we in the range? So currently we are looking at the gold chart. We can see, if we put daily, we can see we are in a big range. The candle on Friday, it looks like a bullish close, but from my point of view, it closed very weak bullish close. So I would expect on Monday, the next candle probably to make a push to upside. Maybe, I would say $10, $15 maximum move to the upside, and then a big drop to come and take these lows from the left, and probably this double bottom from the left. So I'm looking, my trading style is based on the price action, is based on the candle closure. So I mainly trade on the 5 minutes and 1 minute, and only between 2:30 p.m. till 4:30 p.m. This is a London time, and this is the most volatile time when I can profit as much as possible from the movement, because this is when the price moves with force and easier for me as a scalper to make money in this environment. But I also sometimes I can take intraday trades based on 5 and 15 minutes. It depends. So what I'm looking first, I would like to see a market structure on the 5 and 15 minutes. I would like to see if for a bearish trade, if for a short, I would like to see lower highs and lower highs and lower lows. Yeah. So basically, I would like to see market trending like this. What does it mean? A lower low and lower high on a 15 minutes, probably on a 5-minute chart. So we have, let's say, so for a lower low, for a lower high to form, we need like 3 candles on the 15 minutes. Yeah. So this is like candle 1. Yeah. And this is the middle candle. Yeah. And this is like candle 1, candle 2, and then we have a next candle, which is a 15-minute candle, which broke the low of the previous 15-minute candle and probably touched the low or even broke the previous 15-minute candle. So now we have a market structure break. If it before that it formed like only higher highs. So this is what we are looking for. So this broke the lower high. Yeah, this is what this candle was, a lower high, and it broke. It showed a fake leg to the upside. No, it gave us a leg to the upside, but it gave like a false impression as potentially it breaks and forms another higher low. But what we are looking, when this candle formed here, and this week showed us, that the sellers are exhausted, the buyers are exhausted. So we are expecting a potential new 15 minutes, 5 minutes, here we have 5 minutes, and potential 5 minutes bearish close, and probably to take the low of the previous one here. Because of this big week, it closed inside of these weeks on the left. So the closure based on the previous lows or the previous highs on the left is very important, because if we have a closure inside the weeks of the range, it shows that the range is not done. We still gonna be in a range. So we need a very bullish closure above the range for it to continue in one direction. Or let's say above the range, it means buys, or below in sells, yeah? So for us, the closure, not for us, but for me personally, the closure of the candle is very important. So if I'm looking for shorts, then I will be looking to take shorts only when potential new lower lows or new lower highs forms, yeah? So I will enter a trade when this candle closes. I will expect next one to take the low and continue lower. On these levels, on these lows, I will expect people to take profits. So basically, I will enter a short here. With even 1 second before this candle closed, I will enter a short. I will wait to see if we can go to upside, then I'm out. If not, then I will expect to take profits at these levels, because I know at this level, usually people take profits as well. Or we may see sometimes buyers or rejection. It depends. But yeah, this is how I execute and how I'm looking at the market. So basically, I'm looking, if the trending is going up, I'm looking for a potential new higher low to form. Yeah, so I'm looking at the price action, how it closed, and it depends how it closed. Is inside, is outside, then I'm deciding to take a buy or a sell. It depends how the candle closed and where are we in the market structure. So as you can see, we have a big bearish candle here. We have another big bullish candle. And the next one, what it does? It didn't go. It's the next one. We have an inside and very small bearish candle. And the next one took the low. So basically from this level to this level, we are in a range. And the forming of a new leg to the upside, this small leg to the upside, this give us this one, this small red 5-minute candle, yeah? When this candle closed inside of this previous 5-minute candle, it showed us that the next one is high chances, high probability that the next one will break the previous 5-minute high and will move higher. And we are potentially to expect a 5-minute bullish close. So, and the next one candle, we should also expect to take the high and probably to continue higher. But the chances of it continue higher is when we are in trending market. This was just a pullback, yeah? So we moved one leg down, then we have a pullback, then we continue down, yeah? But the market structure broke for it to continue down when this candle took the low of this one, yeah? So we have one candle, two candles, three candles, and this is the fourth candle when it broke the market structure. If we put on the 1 minute, then we're gonna see the lower high and higher lows, yeah? So if you're gonna see higher lows, and then, okay, so higher lows, So this is the 5 minute, and this is the 1 minute. So let's put it the line. So as you can see on the line chart, you can see how it broke. Yeah, on the line chart, you can see how it broke the higher low. Potentially higher low, it broke and it formed a new lower high. Yeah? This is like a new lower high. This one here is a new lower high. It broke. So at this level, we have stops taken out. Probably people scary get out from the trades. And this happens the pullback. And then we have another leg down. Yeah, another leg down, another leg down. Okay. So basically, this is how I trade. I mainly execute on when the candle of 1 minute and 5 minute closes. So this is how what I'm mainly looking at the 5 minute and 1 minute chart to take trades. I also look at the 15 minutes if we are very close for the 15 minute to close. So, okay. So, if that sounds like content you want to follow, hit subscribe. Tuesday and Friday, I publish full sessions, market reads, sometimes a tutorial. If you want to ask me something specific, drop it in the comments and I read everything. That's it. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you very much for your time.